Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can send your videos in your Google Drive. To do so, first of all you need to do is log in into your Google Drive. After you are logged into your Google Drive account, all you have to do is simply select the video that you want to send. For example, let's say this is the video file that I want to send. All you have to do is click on it and you can see that it is now highlighted. You can also go into the three dots option from here or simply right click on it. If you right click on it, you can see these options appear. From here, go to the share option. Now you can either copy link and paste a link from or for who you want to share. Otherwise, you can simply click on the share option right here and just directly input someone's email directly, and now you'll be able to share the file and video file in your Google Drive. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.